With KidKare Accounting, you can create invoices for parents. Since each invoice is assigned to a child, you can easily track the status of payment from the Invoices page. There are two types of invoices you can create: a one-time invoice or recurring invoices. In this video, we focus on creating a one-time invoice each day, week, or month. Want to know more about recurring invoices? Check out our video, Recurring Invoices. Let's get started. From the menu to the left, click Accounting and select Invoices. Click New Invoice. The billing period and invoice date fields auto-populate. Click each one to change them as needed. You have the option to email the invoice upon invoice creation, and you can include withdrawn children. The second option is useful if a child was recently withdrawn, but the parent hasn't paid the final bill for care. Now, let's add invoice line items. Click the Select Child drop-down menu and select the child for whom you are billing. Then, enter the rate you charge and select the rate type, such as week. In the Units box, enter the units for which you are charging. For example, if you selected week in the rate type box and you are charging for 1 week of care, you would enter 1 in the Units box. Are you charging any additional fees or providing any kind of discount? Enter these amounts in the appropriate boxes. Use the Line Item Notes box to enter any notes for this invoice, particularly any notes about applied fees or discounts. If this child has a sibling in your care, click Add Child to add that child to this invoice as a second line item. Children must share the same payer information before you can add them as a sibling. Now, you can save this invoice as a draft for later, or you can preview it. If you are ready to send this invoice, click Preview. Review the invoice details. If you need to make changes, click Back. If everything looks good, click Create or Create and Send. The available option is determined by your selection for email payer on invoice creation. Once you create and send an invoice, it moves from draft to unpaid status. It will remain at this status until you record payments for it, which we cover in our video, Recording Payments. For more information about KidKare Accounting, visit us at help.kidkare.com. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon.